Let's talk about tyre pressures. You will find the tyre pressure for this machine either on a sticker somewhere on the bike or in the handbook for the bike. Car tyre manufacturers will tell you that a car will start to handle abnormally if that tyre pressure is 8 pounds per square inch out from what the manufacturer of the tyre or the vehicle recommends. With a motorcycle, it's considerably lower, so keep your tyre pressures spot on. While we're talking about tyre pressures, let's have a look at this tyre here, which was removed from a 1000cc superbike. And as you can see, the centre of the tyre here is worn out. This owner was frequently told by his dealer to stop overinflating his tyre. He didn't listen, and that is the result of overinflation. Now let's have a look at some moped tyres. This moped tyre was removed from a moped that was being used on a road delivering fast food. And as you can see, it's not only bald here, totally devoid of tread, but it's worn down through the canvas to the ribbing underneath. Another moped tyre to look at is this one. Now then, technically, the base of any original groove is still there, which would make it a legal tyre. However, what this owner did was he developed a hole in the tyre. As you can see my finger now coming through that hole, and he filled that hole with window mastic, black plastic mastic, to fill up the hole. That tyre would cost about £25 to replace. So let's recap. 1mm tread on a superbike tyre, base of any original groove on a moped tyre. Keep your tyre pressures spot on. You'll find them somewhere on the bike, on the swinging arm, attached to the fairing, or in a manufacturer's handbook.